Hello and welcome to our video on the robotics kit compatible with Arduino, available now on Amazon. As technology continues to advance at a rapid pace, understanding the basics of robotics and programming is becoming increasingly important. Whether you're a student, a hobbyist, or a professional, having a basic understanding of robotics can open up a world of possibilities. But where do you start? There are countless resources available, but it can be difficult to know where to begin. That's where this comprehensive robotics kit comes in. This kit includes everything you need to build and program your own robots, including servo motors, sensors, and an Arduino board. The kit also comes with detailed instructions and sample code to help you get started on your robotics journey. The Arduino board included in the kit is a microcontroller that allows you to easily program and control your robot. It's compatible with a variety of programming languages, including C++ and Python, making it accessible to beginners and experts alike. With the Arduino board, you can program your robot to move, sense its environment, and even make decisions based on input from sensors. The possibilities are endless with this kit. You can build robots that can navigate a maze, follow a line, or even respond to voice commands. The kit also includes a variety of sensors, such as ultrasonic sensors, infrared sensors, and line tracking sensors, that you can use to enhance your robot's capabilities. The best part is, you will be able to learn about robotics and programming in a fun and interactive way. Not only will you be able to see your creations come to life, but you'll also gain valuable skills that you can apply in a variety of fields, such as engineering, computer science, and more. Don't wait any longer to start your robotics journey. Order the robotics kit compatible with Arduino now on Amazon. Not only will you be able to learn about robotics, but you'll also have a blast doing it. Thanks for watching.